Good morning, and thank you for taking a look at my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Lynn. I am the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. If you've never been out to our website, be sure to take a look. We are currently having a huge sale on all of our Jasmine Beckett Griffith stamps. So if you click on that banner, it'll take you to all her stamps. They're beautiful fairies. So be sure to go check that sale out today. But the real reason that I'm on here is that I wanted to share with you, if you didn't know, we do make red rubber stamps. So you can see, look at that nice quality. It's a super beautiful wood block. Oh, look, it's all shiny on that. It's kind of funny. With a beautiful handle. It's professionally made, so it looks just like the ones that you've seen in the stores. And you can see there's a foam riser and then a professionally cut red rubber stamp. And what we can do is actually take your logo and produce this stamp for you. Now, you might say, who the heck is this on this stamp? Well, I wanted to share and give a quick shout out. There's a YouTube channel that I love, and I love to watch YouTube channels while I work on stamps. This one is for ResortTV1. Now, I don't know how many of you out there are Disney fans. I am a huge Disney fan. I've been there way too many times, and I love it. I love it. I look forward to it as often as I can get there. I'll go. And what these guys do is actually live down there, and they visit all the time. They go in and do daily walk-arounds where they broadcast live. They go through and they do special reviews on parties and restaurants and the parks and specific rides and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. It really does get me through my day. So thank you guys. So again, big shout out to ResortTV1. This is going in the mail today as my little Merry Christmas gift to them. So you can see I have the hosts there. How cute. And this is so that they can use this to stamp their thank you letters or whatever they've got to mail out with their ResortTV1. Again, you can see it's a professionally cut red rubber stamp. Look at that, beautiful. So it stamps so nice and crisp, and it's professionally done. We have a machine that does all that stuff, so you can see that. So if you were looking for a custom rubber stamp for your YouTube channel or for your small business or just to stamp on stuff because it's freaking fun, toss me a message or visit our website again, which is JessicaLynnOriginal.com. When you're there, just search custom. And when you search custom stamps, you're going to see that we have with handle, without a handle. We've also got red rubber stamps. We've got clear photopolymer. We've got, yeah, you've seen all these. So, right, we've got our clear. We've got, what else do we got here? Oh, here. We've got some really cute little self-inking as well. So you can see that. There it is. Right, there's our little self-inking. So we do those as well. So if you're interested in that, we'll go that one. Okay, so we got self-inking stamps. So if you're interested, be sure to stop by our website today. And again, huge shout out to ResortTV1. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. I can't wait to see if you guys make a little video in return. And I hope that all is well. Everyone, Merry Christmas. Have a great day. Bye-bye.